Hey everyone, Roy here with another video. I'm going live in TikTok at the same time that I'm recording this YouTube video. And the subject for today's video is what if you had the formula to success? Now, if you're new here, give me a like, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe. And when you subscribe, go down to the comments and let me know that you subscribe by saying, I subscribe so that I can show you my appreciation. If you're here on TikTok, let me know where you're tuning in from. Also on YouTube, I'd like to know. Give me your city, state, zip, whatever you're comfortable with, country, even. I don't care. But it helps me to understand where you're tuning in from. I'd like to see where my audience is coming from. But like I said, what if you had the formula to succeed? What if you had a formula that you could follow and make yours on exactly how you can make an income online? And I'm not just saying a course, right? Because we're all sick of courses. You go take a course and it says you need to do this exact thing. Okay. But that exact thing might have worked a month ago, 2 months ago, a year ago. It probably doesn't work right now. But formulas that work, formulas that have been tried and proven to show you exactly how to earn an income work. And the reason why they work is because you can make it your own. You can take a formula and you can put your own personality into it, your own energy, your own enthusiasm, and that in and of itself will attract people. You will attract like-minded people that are attracted to your own energy, your own effort that you put out. And if you do it in a way that you're wanting to help people, then you will be helping people and they will want to be doing what you're doing and helping other people too. Here's the thing, when you start something online, when you start any kind of business, you are actually starting something to help people. If you just look at everybody as if they are a dollar sign, you're not going to make any income. You're not going to make any money. You have to actually want to help people and actually help people. And those that do, those that actually go out and help people be successful, they make an income. That is why I give you the training for free. Yeah, you have to have something to market. Yeah, it's going to cost you a little bit to get started, but it's not going to be as expensive as even your cup of coffee and that breakfast sandwich that you had this morning. And you can actually take formulas that are tried and proven to work, make them your own, and be successful. It's just like anything else. You start something, you have to stay consistent. Listen, I had somebody make $4,500 last week. $4,500. What would $4,500 do for you? Just take a moment to think about that for a minute. Take a moment, center yourself, breathe, and imagine that you got on your computer or your phone, you got a notification that there was $4,500 waiting for you to transfer to your bank account because you spent a little bit of time that you sacrificed from maybe watching TV or something that you'd be normally relaxing to do in the evenings or whenever, and you put in a little bit of effort every day, and you had $4,500 ready to transfer to your bank account. How would that make you feel? How would that help your life? What would you be able to do? Some people want to quit their job. Some people want to buy a new car. Some people want to pay off bills. Some people just need more money to do whatever. Make make things happen. Go out and do more of the things that they love to do. All that is cool, okay? But think about it for yourself. What would $4,500 do for you? I have another team member that made over $7,000 last week. And it just keeps happening because they're following formulas. These two people are completely different. They're not making the exact same content or anything like that, but they're following the exact same formula. Each of them do something a little bit different, talk a little bit different, maybe show up a little bit different, but they make it their own because they're following a specific formula. Now, I'm not going to give it to you on this video, but I can give it to you once you are part of my team. And there's never been a better time to be a part of my team than right now, because in May, we are pushing hard to make sure that every newest person is as successful as possible, as quickly as possible. We want you to be successful. We want you to succeed. We want you to be able to say, hey, I just made $100 today, or I just made $1,000 today, or like the one I was talking about, I just made $4,500 today, or $7,000 today. I want that to be you. I want that to be you, and I want to be here to help you when you have questions. If there's some part of the formula you don't understand or something that you think that you can't do, and you message me and like, I can't do this because of this, I want to be able to change your mindset a little bit and be like, oh, well, what about this? Oh, well, what if you look at it that way? Then, oh my goodness, you can. Here's the thing. You're not a tree. You can change, but I can't change your mind. So how we feel affects everything. If you feel like everything online is a scam, then everything online is a scam and nothing is ever going to work for you. End of story. That's your truth. And I can't change your mind for that. I'm not even going to try. But I'm here for the people that know because they use myself and other people as proof that you can make an income online, that you can work from home. You know what? It's 10 o'clock in the morning. I'm sitting at my house right now. How can I do that? Because I made a choice that I'm going to work from home. That simple. And I ended up figuring out how to make that happen. And you know what? I make an income online. How did I do that? It is a lot simpler than you think. It's because I made a decision that I'm going to figure it out. And yeah, I stumbled around for years. I wasted thousands of dollars before I found something real that worked. And just like everybody else out there, I felt like a lot of it was a scam and I quit trying for a little bit. But I had that thought in my head, that idea that yes, it is possible. I know it is. I know that you can make an income online. And I just kept at it until I found something that worked, that I was proud of, that is duplicatable, that I can help other people do. And that is what I'm doing now. And it gives me an income every single week. Every single week, I'm able to go transfer money to my bank account because I found something that works and I found something that I can help other people do. And this is the theme that I started today. It is because there's a formula. I'm so sick of those training courses that you go take and you have to follow exactly step by step. You go do this, you go do that. And here's the thing, everybody's doing the exact same thing, and then nobody makes any money because they're all doing the exact same thing. But if you can actually put your own personality, your own enthusiasm, and your own energy into something, that changes the world. Because there are people out there right now that need you, that need your own brand of crazy, that need your own brand of how you make money online to be able to help them out of their situation. And then you, as a byproduct, earn an income from that. How cool is that? How cool is that? And like I said, I've got people that are making thousands of dollars every single week. I have a new student that just had a baby this week. He's in the hospital. You know what? He made money while he's having a baby with his girlfriend in the hospital. He made money. How is he able to do that? He didn't do exactly what I'm doing. He followed the exact same formula. He didn't follow word for word what I'm doing or, exactly try to, stand the right way and look the right way in the mirror, type the same thing that I'm typing. No, because there's a formula. He followed the formula and I give you the formulas for free, but you have to have something to market. So yeah, costs a little bit because you have to have something to market, but I found a good company that is reputable, that has an A+ rating with the BBB, that has a 4.9 review with the Better Business Bureau, that you can feel good about, and then you can help people. And then besides making money online, it's a good company that actually has good products and services that will help you in other ways, like bills that you're paying for anyways, like groceries that you're going to go buy, gas, those kind of things. They help you save money on that. So you have ROI right away. You have return on your investment from day one if you just use the product in and of itself. It is amazing. I absolutely love it. And I'm happy to help other people do the same thing. But the hardest part and the hardest thing that people have getting in their head is getting started because they're constantly trying to protect themselves from everything. So it's like, oh my goodness, what if this happens? Or what if that happens? Or what if I can't make money because of this? Or what if I can't do this because of that? Or what if I'm not of this person, or I'm not of that person, or I don't know how to talk and I don't know how. I show you everything you need to do. You just have to get out of your own darn way and just decide that that's what you want, making money online, having an income that you can transfer to your bank account, money every week that you can transfer to your bank account. You have those ideas, you hold on to them, and you decide that's what you want. That's literally all it is. You have to decide that you actually want to have money coming to you while you're sleeping, while you're out having a baby, while you're driving down the road, while you're at a barbecue, wherever you may be. You actually have to decide that you want money coming into you while you're doing those things so that then you can have more time freedom to go out and do more of those things that you love. I made money while I was camping. I made money while I was doing barbecue. I make money all the time while I'm sleeping because I decided I wanted those things. And then I follow a formula that helps me get those things happening. Just like I'm doing with you right now. I'm telling you about it. That's literally my only job is to tell people about it. Everything else is handled on the back end. I have customer service that follows up for me. I have email automation that happens for me. Only thing I have to do, and the only thing I want you to have to do is share with other people. That's it. Everything else, it's done. It's boxed up. It's ready to go. All you have to do is plug in and start sharing. It is that simple. How many of you think that you could actually be successful online if you had a formula to follow and if you had all the support on the back end to help you be successful and all you had to do is just put in a little bit of work every single day? And it really doesn't take that long. I mean, I got up this morning, went out 7:30, between 7:30 and 7:45, I had my content made. I was done. I was done for the day. The internet takes over after that. Everything is sent out to people that are interested. You think about it. When you decide that you want to go buy something, right? And you start searching on Amazon or whatever, Google, and you want to buy something, all of a sudden your phone blows up, and for the next, like, I don't know, week, your everything is starting to suggest, oh, you want to buy this thing, you want to buy this, and it's all that same subject that you were searching for. How do you think that happens? Well, why can't you use that kind of power for your own income? Why can't you leverage the internet to actually earn an income, which is exactly what I teach you how to do. And I teach it on my YouTube. You can go to my YouTube right now, go to successwithleroy.com. It'll take you to my channel, make it easy, successwithleroy.com. And I'll show you step by step what you need to do day by day in order to make that happen, in order to leverage the internet, in order to make it so that you can have an income, whether you're sleeping, whether you're working, whether you're whatever you're doing. I have a new student. He literally sits there in his truck when he goes on break or when he's doing something else while he's working, and he's able to put in the effort that needs just a little bit of effort. Like I said, it only takes an hour. He puts in that little bit of effort wherever he can fit it in. He puts in that little bit of effort while he's driving. He puts in that little bit of effort while he's sitting at a stoplight. He puts in that little bit of effort while he pulls over in a parking lot, whatever. He puts it in. I have another guy. He gets up at 4 o'clock in the morning. This is his choice. I'm not saying that you have to, right? And he makes a little bit of content. And then when he gets home, he makes a little bit more. And then he's done. He schedules that out for the day, and he's done for the day, and he makes an income. And he's the same one that just had a baby this week. He's in the hospital right now with a newborn with his girlfriend, and he just showed me a screenshot like literally 10 seconds ago of money that he just made. And he's so happy. He's grateful that I shared this opportunity with him, that I show him what to do because he's able to do that. How would it feel for you to be out somewhere? We all have lives. We all have something going on in our life. How would you feel if you're able to actually earn an income while you're out doing those kinds of things? I have a lady that had to go to a funeral this week. Somebody in her family died. And while she's out at this funeral having a horrible week, it's emotional, nothing's going right, right? It's nobody wants to have that kind of experience. But while they're doing that, they're making an income. But that's because they decided that they wanted to earn an income online, and then they're following a formula. They're following the blueprint, which I give you for free, following the blueprint. You go, you do this, you do this, you do this, you're done. That's it. Repeat, rinse and repeat. And then it becomes, guess what? How do you get a skill? It just, right now, how do you get a skill? How do you get a skill? I want to know in the comments, how do you get a skill? How do you become skilled at something? When you start a new job, are you skilled at that job on day one? Do you know everything you need to do day one to be successful? Do you? I guarantee that you feel foreign, that you feel like you got to learn, that you're the new guy. You feel out of place. It doesn't feel right. You have to learn. But if you put your time and effort in and you keep doing it every day, then it becomes a skill. It becomes something that you can be proud of. And you keep practicing your skill. You become the best person that you can be in your skill. People start to take notice and they start to help you out. And then you start seeing a momentum and it makes you happy. You know what? I still remember exactly where I was and what I was doing when I saw that very first income online. When I very first got my notification on my phone, ding, I had money coming in. I still remember exactly where I was and what I was doing. And I want more of you to be able to experience that, to be able to experience that joy, that feeling of having an income come to you when you're out doing something, when life is happening to you, when you're in the hospital or you're at a funeral, or even more, happier pieces of your life when you're at a barbecue, when you're hanging out with friends, when you're sleeping and you wake up to income coming into you. I want you to experience what that's like. And again, I show you step by step, day by day, what you need to do to make that happen on my YouTube channel. Go to my profile, tap the YouTube button, or go to successwithleroy.com, and you will see what I'm talking about. Go fill it out for yourself. Go be informed. Go see if I'm just full of crap. Go figure it out for yourself. I did, and it's working for me, and I'm happy to share it to you, and I feel good about it. Yes, I see your comments. Look at us, answer your viewers. Yeah, well, my viewers sometimes, I don't want to put a wig on. I make a choice to be bald. My grandfather said, the good Lord only made a few perfect heads, the rest of me put hair on. So maybe you should shave. Why should I put a wig on? Maybe you should shave. All right. Hey, that's what I came on here to talk about today. Hope you have a beautiful day, and I hope that you enjoy everything about your life. See you on the